Hey everyone, welcome to Hayden Me Grilling. Now tonight we're going to do a very simple, pretty quick using the smoker, but we're going to do a pork tenderloin. I think this and the pork steak is two of the most underrated, overlooked cuts of meat there is. So we're going to get our Z-Grills pellet smoker fired up to 225 degrees. We'll meet you inside as we go through the prep stage. Alright, so when I said it's going to be very simple, we're just going to pour a little bit of McLaurin's barbecue sauce. You use whatever barbecue sauce you want over the top of this pork loin. We're going to brush this in all over. Next, I'm going to double layer this. I'm going to come in with some Heathrow's garlic jalapeno rub. Sprinkle me a little bit on. But again, you use whatever seasoning you want. But then after that, I'm going to come back with the Heathrow's competition rub. Just kind of give it that color. There we go. Right about like that. So it's going to be a very simple cook. Our Z-Grills pellet smoker is up to 225. We're going to take that pork tenderloin. We're going to lay it right on the smoker. I am going to get a temperature probe in it. And once it hits 155 degrees internal temperature, we're going to pull it. All right, folks, so we at 150 degrees. We got it in the house. This thing is juicy. I can tell already by the outside. What we're going to do is we're going to slice into it. Get out these little medallions. That's a beautiful piece of pork right there, folks. All right, folks, now I got some black eyed peas to go with it, but the real star of the show is this pork tenderloin. So let's give it that all important taste test. Folks, that's so good. Now, like I said in the intro, there are a couple of cuts of meat that I think is very overlooked and underrated. This pork tenderloin is one of them. Simple process. Just apply a little bit of barbecue sauce for my binder. Come back with my seasoning. Folks, this is so juicy, so tender. This is incredible. This is one of those that looks like you took a long time in prepping, but really what took the longest was the smoking part. And that still didn't take all that long. So maybe a couple hours. But y'all please give us a try. If you're at the grocery store and you see a pork tenderloin, give it a try. I don't think you'll regret it. So y'all please let me know what you think. Please like, subscribe, and we'll see y'all later.